Hey there, good beautiful morning and welcome to Tesla Northwest and EVs. I'm so glad you could join me on this cold, beautiful winter day. Hey, I just got the latest Tesla software update for FSD beta and the holiday update. So won't you join me as I do a quick walkthrough in the screens, I show you Model Y track mode, and we just have a generally good time checking out the latest Tesla updates. So won't you join me on the flip side, and I just appreciate your time. Thank you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful day. All right, hey, and welcome, folks. I appreciate you joining me here at Tesla Northwest and EVs. What are we talking about? Well, we just got the latest holiday update, so let's take a quick look at that. So we'll pull up the release notes, and as we can see, early access FSD beta 10.69.25, so very cool. And what all did we get? Well, let's just check it out. So my understanding is this latest FSD beta update is just as same as 10.69.3.3, and that was just a minor improvement over 3.1. So we can see here our updated notes and all the different things that we have with our FSD. Full driver suspension. Again, if you were suspended, you got removed from that. Cabin camera, Apple Music, very, very cool. Zoom meetings, you'll now be able to use your in-car camera while in park to do meetings. Dog mode improvements, us pet owners will really appreciate that. We've got a scheduled light show now, so we can coordinate with other cars, as I talked about in my earlier video, a little preview. We can select our climate control fan speed when we're in automatic. MyQ connected garage, very, very cool for those of you that use MyQ. Auto turn signals, we'll have to try those out. We've got Mahjong now, and the really cool one, track mode for Model Y. We're going to check that out. What else? Confirm call transfer, contact lookup, media controls, emission testing mode via the mobile app, so now we can do fart on command from our phone, and also we can see the in-cabin camera now, so you can check in Sentry mode via the app what's going on in the cabin of your car. And then we've got always rainbow mode. A couple other items, because I'm a beta car, these came as well, so new camera-based detection and new language support. So hopefully you have an opportunity to see all that stuff, but what I really wanted to show you was some of these improvements. So first off, we can notice down here, we've got an improved user interface. So if I click the little music icon, now I get our tiles back. So I can have my music here, I can flip through and see my trip, and I can see my tire pressure. Super cool. And then if I want to get rid of it, I can just pull it down. They also made changes for navigation. So if I was to navigate to Harold's Market, it shows the route up top and it shows the trip card on the bottom. So that is really, really cool. And we can get rid of that as well by flicking it down. Well, hopefully. And we can pull it up. All right, those are very cool. Hit end trip and get rid of that. Inside, what have we got? Well, no changes to this main screen, it all stays the same, but if we go under pedals and steering, we see that we now have our track mode. So we can go customize and add new settings. So we can put in a name, I'll put in my name, Ryan, create settings, and now I can change the way I want the car to be set up when I go into track mode. I can have post-drive cooling, save dash cam for laps, so we'll pull those up, you can see what those are. And I can increase or decrease my regenerative braking. I can change my stability and my handling balance. Go to race presets and drift presets as well. Let's go ahead and go, and then we go back to me, and I can delete these settings if I want. Let's see what stability assist is. We'll pull up the regenerative braking one. And the handling balance. All right. I imagine if I put it into drive. Oh, nope. I'm learning all of this myself, folks. So you have to be in park. The car has woke up. Now if I hit track mode, I get this warning. I'm going to select track mode, and look, now we've got the track mode enabled screen pulled up. Very, very cool. We can set a finish line, tap and hold map location to indicate where we want to go, and I've got all this great information up here. Monitor vehicle health. Oh, I don't care about that. So very, very, very neat. And if I click this, then sorry about that, folks. Sorry about Okay, we're back. I'm sorry about that. So we can see track mode enabled. We can see our car as it sits, and then our different stuff. So very, very, very cool. I cannot wait to play with this, and we'll take it out on the road here soon. So if I want to disable track mode, I just go back into pedals and steering, and I click track mode, and now we're back out of it. No other real changes there. Under charging, nothing has really changed. Autopilot, all of this looks good. I really love our tutorials now. Tesla has given tutorials. I think that's awesome. So where's our next change? Well, if we go down to lights, we see that we've got our auto turn signals, and let's go ahead and click the little eye, and it'll tell us what that's all about. Basically, they will turn off when we merge, fork, or make lane changes. So definitely have that enabled. Display, nothing really changed there. I don't think there is any other really cool stuff I need to show you there. A couple items under the toy box. Under the theater, we've got our regular stuff. Arcade, let's see if we've gotten our Mahjong. And there it is. So very, very cool. And then last but not least, I wanted to show you that we've also gotten some stuff for the light show. So let's pull that up. Schedule show. Now we can see that we can pick. We've got two. We've got Auld Lang and Carol of the Bells. So very cool. People know they can do their own. We can schedule a time, confirm it, and then we can coordinate with other people. So that's just a couple of the cool features that we have added to the Tesla over this holiday software update. And I thought just as a quick added bonus, I would throw it... No, you know what, I'm not going to. I was going to put it in track mode, but why don't we do another video here in the near future where I take you on a track mode drive. It's really shitty out, super snowy and slick, and so I just want to be careful. So anyway, folks, I can't tell you enough how much I appreciate you joining me. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave in the comments if there's anything else that I can share or you would like to see. And I just love doing this. I'm having a great time, and I hope you're enjoying doing it with me. So hit that like, hit that subscribe if you enjoy this content, and let me know what I can do to make it better or bring you things that you want to see. This is Ryan at Tesla Northwest and EVs, and sometimes time-lapse Lego builder, signing off. See you on the flip side.